Hey guys, it's your boy Texas Nova. Glad you guys are back to the channel. I know it's been a long time since I shot a video, but man, things happen, things get in the way, and just kind of get burnt out on making them. And you know, the Nova was done, and ain't nothing to post, you know, but just silly stuff that's breaking on the car. Radiator went bad, alternator went bad, so just minor stuff that I didn't, want to take the time to shoot a video. But now I got a new project, and I want to say this: I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Sad enough that, I built this Nova, nothing but a Powerglide inline six, stripped it down to bare bones, put a LS3 with the T56 Magnum in it, and man, it runs great. So I got another project going on I really didn't want to do, but let me get this camera turned around. So as you guys can see, got a 60 liter with a 4L80 sitting right behind it. Complete pullout, and I'll be honest with you, this package here was $3,000. Full accessory, everything. All I gotta do is get a harness, boom. Fuel, fire, ignition, hot, ground, and this thing should start. Fingers crossed. But anyway, and like I said, this is a complete pullout. It did come out of a 2500 heavy-duty truck, so man, I know it's been worked. They claim it's been rebuilt, but hey, all right, whatever. I did pull the plugs, and the plugs are super clean, so I know that those are clean. There's really not much soot in the exhaust. They are nice and dry. Really good. I was told that you can just kind of check to see how sooty these are. If they're pretty dry, it's in good shape. So I know that all the cylinders are good because there is no oil on any of the all of the 8 plugs. So good shape. So let me get this thing. Tell you what this is going to go in. This is going in my 84 C10 pickup. Man, I love this truck. So the original engine right now was a 305 350 turbo. It is coming out because I want more fuel economy. I want a little bit more reliability. This is a good motor. It's just, man, it's just slow, for what it is. 125, 30 horse, whatever, but it's a good motor. I am going to be up and selling that. I do got to do, as you can see right down, let me see if I can't zoom in for you guys. That is a hole, and I think that if you can see, I'm outside, so I really can't see. Yeah, that's a hole, and then I got some ugliness going on right down there. Heater core busted open on me and leaked, and I did not know it. So anyway, that's going to be repaired once I pull the motor and transmission out, and I'll sell it. Guys, I love this truck. I had this truck, not this truck here, but the same style of truck in my late 20s and early 30s. I loved it, drove the hell out of it. I had a 383 stroker in it, a 350 turbo, and I loved it. Keeping the patina, I am going to do some clear on it and kind of clear it up, but I am going to leave it because obviously I don't have the money to do a full paint job. That'll maybe come a little bit later. But interior bone stock, I am leaving this thing bone stock the same way I had it. I love the memories that this truck gave me in my late no, it was early 20s, I think it was. Yeah, early 20s, 30s. So beige and brown, all stock, keeping everything all original. I love it. I love it. So anyway, got some nice patina going on here, and got some some thinning right here. Not too bad. This side seems pretty straight. But there you go, man. It's a good truck. So love the rims on there. Again, it's all original. All original. So there you go. So back to this thing here. This did, like, again, 2500 60 with a 4L80. I am not going to do anything to this right now. I'll probably just put it in the truck, drive and see how it handles, and I may get a cam, I may get some headers for it, I don't know. But the rear end on that is a peg leg 308. I know it's not going to handle over 400 horse because I blew up my last one by putting in a 400 horse 383, and I did hot dog the shit out of it. So, but it didn't handle it. I blew the rear end, I blew the transmission out. But I know that this combo here is going to, it'll hold up, but I know that rear end won't. And so I'm a little bit wiser. I don't want to break anything because I don't have the money to pay for it. But anyway, again, I apologize I haven't shot any videos for you guys, but here I'm gonna nickel and dime this one here, find some stuff, kind of keep you guys up the loop on how much it's going to cost me, and that way you guys kind of gauge on what you guys need. I'll throw in some part numbers, stuff that you're going to need. I'm sure you guys will already know this already, but maybe kind of throw me some pointers on get this thing going. So again, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going in blind on this here. So, but it is what it is. I'm gonna learn it. Hey, there's YouTube. I am not bashful to say I'm a YouTube mechanic. Whatever. But anyway, guys, stay tuned. I'll visit you guys on the next video.